In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to ClickFunnels. A countdown timer is a great way to create urgency on your page, highlight a limited time offer, or build excitement for an upcoming event. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the countdown element inside ClickFunnels, how to add it to your page, and how to customize it so it matches your design and your goals. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Look for the option labeled Funnels and click on it. This will open a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the funnel where you want to add the countdown timer and then select that funnel to open it. Once you're inside the funnel, you'll see the funnel steps, which are basically the different pages in that funnel. Find the specific page you want to edit, hover your mouse over that page, and you'll see an edit button appear. Click that button to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, scroll or move around the page until you find the exact section where you want your countdown timer to appear. When you hover over that area, you'll see an Add Element option. Click on Add Element. A drawer will slide open, usually on the right side of your screen. In that drawer, there's a filter or category list on the left side. Look for the countdown timers category and click it. Then, choose the countdown element from the available options. As soon as you select it, the countdown timer will be added to your page. Now that the countdown is on your page, click directly on the timer to open the editing and styling options. This will slide open the settings drawer on the right side again. Here, you can adjust layout options like top margin, flex grow or shrink, and how the element aligns within its section. You can also choose the timer type, such as a calendar event, a standard countdown, or an evergreen countdown, and then configure the settings for that type. For a regular countdown timer, set the end date, the exact end time, and the correct time zone. Take a moment to scroll down through the drawer so you can see all the available settings and styling options, such as fonts, colors, and spacing to match your page design. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This will make sure all your changes are stored and your countdown timer is live on your page.